The Center for Conservation and Restoration Science is an interdisciplinary research center to deliver applied research and practical solutions to help conserve, restore, and enhance biodiversity and to safeguard the essential benefits that nature provides for people.
The challenges we face, climate change, biodiversity loss, pollution, and global sustainability, do not really fit into a single area or discipline. That's why that interdisciplinary approach of the CCRS is so important. For example, we are co-developing tools to monitor terrestrial ecosystems and ecology. Our AI experts are working together with biologists to use innovative ecological time series analysis and data that will help us uncover movement patterns of sharks. Our material scientists are working with ecologists to build bio-inspired materials that can host marine organisms. These examples are not just cases of people working with someone else. They are truly interdisciplinary examples that you can develop within the same institution. That is one of a kind and make of CCRS an excellent partner to collaborate with.
Through our Business for Biodiversity initiative, we brought together companies who are committed to reversing nature's decline. For example, in our Mind the Gap project, we work with Balfour Beatty, national highways and historic railways estates and monitor biodiversity from bacteria to birds across 5 of their sites. We also lead evidence-based work for Forestry Commission England, developing guidance on how best to create new woodland. We co-created the Fishy Tales show, a show that we show to primary school kids and their families and inspires them about the marine life, turning them into ocean advocates. We also partner with what we call living laboratories. These are private estates, privately owned estates in the Scottish Highlands that host students to conduct their research projects on their land. And the students create valuable data that really matter and help the estate owners to conserve and restore their grounds. As a university, we have access to top-notch labs such as microbiology, our temperature-controlled aqua lab. We have super material science and engineering labs, computing labs, etc. And also very fancy equipment such as high-spec drones and audio recording equipment. And all these labs and equipment are available for student projects and also for collaborative projects with the real world. Finally, I want to mention our master's course in wildlife biology and conservation. It's in its 25th year now and continues to attract a large number of passionate students from all over the world and the UK to come and study with us. The challenges ahead are huge, but so are our ambitions, and we're always looking for new ideas, new partners, new students, new collaborators, new funders to help us make this positive impact for both nature and people. So if you share our goals, why not get in touch with us? If you want to study with us, partner with us, and we can discuss how we can make this happen.